Black History Month is an opportunity for us to recognize the achievements of African Americans and also to celebrate their role in American history.
Throughout the month of February, we are honoring Black History Month by wearing throwback uniforms and remembering former basketball coach Bill Caulfield.
Today we also salute George Poage, a proud UW alum who was the first African American to win an Olympic medal, claiming bronze in the hurdles in 1904.
Please join us in honoring Mr. Caulfield, Mr. Poage in Black History Month.